How to sell photo online, best parties and where to do it. Selling photo is great way to make money online. Whether you are an amateur or a professional photographer. Best of all, selling photo online doesn't have to be a full-time job. From stock photography website to online marketplace, it's now easier than ever to turn your photographer hobby into an additional source of income. In this article, we review the 5 steps you can take to sell photo online. Direct on your photographer niche. Choose an e-commerce platform. Make sure of the legalist build and audience expert your stream of income. So where you are selling digital images or physical prints, we'll cover some tips and tricks that you are that you can important implement to earn money and maximize your new online business. So if you have a online business idea to sell photo online follow this 5K step. Photo are one of the most profitable digital product that you can sell online. Choosing what you will specialize in is the first step to find the right audience and attract potential customers. If you have a dedicated on a niche trick trying to experiment with different photography style, it's a great idea to research the most popular photography trend and determine it. So thank you everyone.